Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a hammer. You don't really know you are.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make some salmon. Salmon, I don't know what y'all call it, but with rice, some vegetables. Yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do that. It's been my go-to. I've been on like a fitness, I don't want to say a weight loss journey, just more of a fitness journey. If you guys have been watching, y'all know that I'm getting married in Tulum in about almost close to 3 months, so it's coming up, and I just want to look really good in my suit and things like that. So I've just been, just keeping fit. So I've only been eating salmon and rice or chicken and rice. I just alternate between the two, or I'll do like a chicken sub, or it's mostly chicken and salmon. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna make. I made a video, one of my videos, I was eating that while I was recording, and a lot of people was asking me what I was eating, and it looked really good. I was making it look good. It really is good, and I don't know, I am now obsessed. I am obsessed with salmon. So here you go, let's go. Alright, so right here I have everything I need. I have my salmon. I'm going to remove the skin from that. I'm not going to use this whole salmon. I'll probably cut it by right here, but then I just bought enough because like I said, I eat it all the time, so I just wanted to have enough for a couple more meals. I'm going to use bell pepper, onion, cucumber, avocado, and then I have some seasonings. I do salt, I do pepper, I do salt, I do pepper, I do onion powder, I do Old Bay, and I do the Slap Your Mama. I have a little olive oil, I have garlic and lemon, and then I have some Lee and Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, I have some soy sauce, and I have this sesame oil that literally just brings it all together. You have to get this sesame oil. It's so good. As you can see, I don't even have that much left, so I gotta get some more. Alright, make sure you get your non-stick pan. I just got the rice in the bag, the boil in the bag rice. It works for me. I like quick meals, so hey, don't judge me, but I like it quick. So I know a lot of times with us having jobs and so many things that we do, we want quick meals. Alright, here we go. That's gonna show you guys how I'm going to remove my thing. Wash my hands again.
Only the 3 words that food places that
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you like this recipe. Pretty simple, easy, quick meal. So yeah, y'all try it at home. And thank you, DoorDash, so much for shouting me out. Thank you to everybody here that is from DoorDash shouting me out. I appreciate y'all. I'm happy to see y'all here. Thanks for the people that commented and let me know that they were here. I appreciate y'all, and I hope you guys like the ride. Thank y'all. Peace.